So under this, the first one is empty set or null set. So what is an empty set or null set? It is a set which does not have any element. So you say a set which does not have any element, is known as an empty set. And in order to denote an empty set, you can either use the symbol null. It is denoted by the symbol null or empty flower bracket. So we can either use an empty flower bracket or we can use the symbol null to denote an empty set. So if you want to choose any example for this, you can say, you know that in complex numbers you have learned, whenever you square any number, so x square equal to -1 if I consider, there is no real number whose square is -1. So under the set of real numbers, you can say x does not belong to real numbers for the solution set of this. So you can say that under the set of real numbers, this equation doesn't have a solution. So you can say the solution set of this is an empty set. So you say the set of real numbers whose square is -1. Whose square is -1 is an example of an empty set. So another example is, you cannot have a number which is both even and odd. So you can say the set of numbers which are both even and odd together, because you cannot have a number which is both even and odd simultaneously. You can say the set of numbers which are both even and odd together is an example of an empty set. Right. So this is the first type of set. Then we'll proceed to the next type of set. So we'll now discuss about a singleton set. So as the name itself states, single means one. So singleton is a set which has only one element. A set which has only one element is known as a singleton set. So for this you can choose the example, the set of even prime numbers. So when I say the set of even prime numbers, so we know that there is only one even prime number, so you can say a equal to 2. So 2 is the only even prime number. So this is an example of a singleton set. A equal to flower bracket 2. This is the representation in rooster form. So the set of even prime numbers represents an example of a